Thank you. Well, I think I need to inspect this box right away. These two boxes. I got some damage there. Hopefully they didn't do anything. What's inside? And there's two boxes, and I ordered four. Well, not four, but 4 pieces. But hopefully there's 2 in there. As you can see, that's what I got. Well, let's go open this thing. Huh? Turn on the light. Get some light. Well, pardon the noises, because I have my roof being replaced. It's long overdue, so it's been, the shingles that I have on there, it's been more than 30 years. So I need to open this right away. We don't want anything mishaps on this thing, you know. Okay, they have all this, everything is in, of course, Japanese. I guess one thing I have to worry about is just the rim face not being damaged. So it's like opening a oh man. Shot. See how much. Oh, it's very light. Man, look at this. I think what advertising is like 11 pounds or something. But there's the specs. 16 by 7, 42. And with all the stickers. Wow. Well, let me check the rest of them. Just for kicks. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh man, it's awesome, brother. Very nice. Just it's the one that has damage. Yeah. So, yeah, let me check this real quick. Here's my purchase order. Stickers, I see. Man, that's very nice. One of the stickers. Man. Maybe like oh, the tire, the valves, the caps. Forgot all about this. I ordered one. Well, I ordered 4. One set. I just ordered the plain. So now the one with the hole. Okay, it's okay. Okay, it's good. Look at that. Not bad, not bad at all. It's very nice. I like it. Now that I got this one in person, yeah, I think I'm better off getting these than the TE37. Well, thanks everyone. This is just an unboxing, and I couldn't do anything because of the noise. As you can see, I'm having my my roof replaced. This will be the third day, so over the weekend. So I think I won't put up anything till next week or so. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you guys back. All right, bye everyone. Nice.